Since many educators are breaking new ground by developing customized YouTube videos for use in course content, careful consideration should be taken to ensure that any video production used in a course will be accessible for people with disabilities. When creating a YouTube video, closed captioning is required for accessibility. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create closed captions for your YouTube videos. To begin, a written transcript of the dialogue or narration in the video must be created. There are a number of ways to do this. One way is to use the automatic feature provided in YouTube. However, it is not precise and will require a great deal of editing. Another method is to transcribe the video using a plain text editing program. PCs will use WordPad or Notepad, and Mac uses TextEdit. These are formatting and transcribing tips to follow when creating a transcript for a video production. Keep each line short. 7 to 12 words per line are recommended. Put a double space between each line. This will allow you to automatically sync the text with the video. Capitalize the first letter of each line. Determine natural breaks in the dialogue. Standard grammar and sentence structure can, for the most part, be ignored. This is conversational text, with the emphasis on the viewer's comprehension of what is taking place in the video. Most punctuation can be omitted, but do use question marks and apostrophes for contractions. These are the step-by-step instructions for creating a transcript. Step 1. Open a plain text file, give it a name, and save it. Many text editing programs will automatically default to rich text. Make sure you save the file as plain text, not rich text. Step 2. Start typing the transcript. Open the video and play it in small segments of about 4 or 5 seconds, hitting pause to type each word. Step 3. When your transcript is complete, listen to the video in its entirety to make sure that every word has been included in the transcript. Use spell check to correct any misspellings. Step 4. The video must be uploaded to your channel prior to this step. Log into YouTube and choose your channel. This will take you to the dashboard. Open the video by clicking on Uploads. When the video is open, notice that there is no closed caption button on the video because the transcript file has not been uploaded. Step 5. From the left menu, choose Video Manager. Click on the Edit drop-down menu and choose Subtitles and CC. Click on Add New Subtitle or CC and select the appropriate language. Click on Upload a File and choose File. Navigate to your plain text file and click Open. Click on Upload and you will see your text appear in the transcript box. Click on Set Timings. This may take several minutes depending on the length of the video. Review the closed captioning by playing the video. If it is properly synced, click on Publish. You will now see the CC button. The primary purpose of closed captioning is to assist people who are deaf or hard of hearing. YouTube has a translate feature that will automatically translate your captions into over 60 different languages. It's not always a perfect translation, but most viewers will be able to comprehend your video. The interactive script is especially useful for how-to videos because the viewer can skip ahead or go backward in the text. Closed captioning also allows your videos to be indexed more efficiently. Google and YouTube will be able to recognize the content of your video, expanding your potential audience. For more information and resources, please feel free to print a copy of the accompanying PDF titled How to Create Closed Captions for YouTube Videos.